Hi guys, in this video we will discuss the line cut tool used in polygon modeling in detail. So to start with, let us first create one primitive object. Suppose I will create one plane. Now I will convert this to a polygonal object by pressing C. The line cut tool can be used in all these three modes, that is points, edges and polygons mode. To access the line cut tool, you can right click and you can choose this line cut option, or you can go to this mesh menu and you can choose this line cut tool. This line cut tool is replacement of a knife tool, but it has more options and it is more useful than knife tool. Now suppose if I have clicked on this edge and I am just dragging my cursor vertically like this, you can see this tool is snapping to edge or to vertex also. And here you can note one more thing, that whenever I am moving my cursor to the edge, reddish color is displayed on this vertex, and if I am snapping it to a vertex, you can see green color is displayed, and if I am clicking on the polygon, blue color is displayed for the point that is created. So like this I can cut the polygons. And next, if I want to exit the tool, I need to press escape, or I can choose another tool. Now if I am pressing the shift key, suppose I have clicked first over here, and now if I am pressing the shift key, you can see straight line can be created to cut the edges or polygons like this. Again I will press the escape key. Now if I press the shift key, first I need to click, and now if I am just dragging my cursor, in that case the angle constraint is applied. You can apply the angle constraint using this checkbox also, and you can change the angle using this edit box. Now one more thing I would like to mention here is that suppose I am making one cut over here, I have clicked suppose over here and I am clicking again over here. I can even make point on the line just created like this, and if I am pressing shift while clicking on this line, I can move this point like this, means wherever I want I can click at a point like this. I can just move the point, and if I press control, then that point can be removed. So like this you can make the cuts as required. Again I am pressing escape key. Now let us discuss about the options in this attribute manager. You can see this visible only checkbox is selected over here. It means that the cut will be made for the visible polygons only. Actually this is a plane, so it doesn't matter whether this checkbox is selected or not, but when you have a overlapping geometry, then you need to decide whether you want cuts on non-visible polygons also. Then only you need to clear that checkbox, otherwise you need to keep it selected. Next, one slice mode drop down list is there. This slice mode drop down list is activated only when you clear this checkbox. Now here you can see this cut is selected by default. That is the normal cut that we have seen right now. Next, if I just select split from this drop down list, you can see now when I am making the cut, and suppose I pressed escape, now if I go to this polygons mode, you can see plane is split into two parts where this cut is made. Now if I choose this line cut tool again, this time if I select this remove part A option, now first I need to select some polygons. Suppose I select some polygons like this. Now I will choose this line cut and cut the line like this. You can see now the part A of that selected portion is removed. Next, if I select this last option, that is remove part B, and if I make the cut like this, you can see now the part B of the selection is removed. So like this you can use the options in this slice mode drop down list. Next, let us discuss this single line checkbox. Now if I am just making cut without this single line checkbox selected, as we have seen already, we can just make as many lines as we want. But now if I select this single line checkbox, you can see now Cinema 4D has itself exit from this tool after I have clicked at a point over here. So like this you can only create a single line cut using this single line checkbox. So like this you can use all the options in this attribute manager so that line cut tool can be used effectively. So that's all in this video. Thanks for watching.